Hello everyone, welcome to today's new episode. Today we will discuss America's Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3 repairing treatment. First 10 people will get 20% discount if they buy from our YouTube channel. Let's get started. The only patented system to noticeably repair extreme damage, turn dry, brittle hair into soft, shiny, and more resilient hair. No. Zero preps hair for intense repair, boosting all the benefits of number 3. A single molecule, free of silicones and oils, dramatically improves the hair strength, protects from within, and provides immediate results. To help reduce our carbon footprint, we limit the use of secondary packaging for the majority of our products.